Hey guys, so around this time last year, I took a trip to Ikea to get some furniture and finishes for my first place. Make sure you also check out that video of me shopping around the store and picking out items. And my favorite part was picking out the mattress and bed. So here I am looking at the bed, trying it out. And I also ended up buying this bed frame right here. This is the Idanäs upholstered bed frame in a king size in the dark gray color. This style of bed comes in two colors, pink and gray. I chose the gray over the pink because pink is, I like pink, but not all year round. Also, you can get under bed storage if you like. I decided to opt out on that because I already had plenty of storage in my bedroom. Overall, this is a great bed. Holds up really well, good quality. However, the one complaint that I do have is the legs.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
Y'all, let me tell you something. When I tell you they do not hold up, they didn't even last the summer. Like, this is a lot of weight for these little skinny legs. Like, I got a king size bed. So maybe not for the queen. I don't know. I did look at the reviews and that was a lot of complaints for the legs on the bed, which I can understand why. That's a lot of weight to distribute. So yeah, my legs decided to give up. I did have footage of the bed, but it basically looks like a platform bed.
It is what it is.
Unfortunately, the footage got ruined, but I'll do a quick animation for you about what happened. Anyway, y'all get the picture. This bed did not hold up, simply put. It did not hold up for me sitting on there or anything else for that matter. But if you guys had the same problem as I did, well, you're in luck. I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix those legs. Step 1, throw them in the trash. You no longer need them. Step 2, go back to Ikea and return the bed. No, I'm just kidding. Go back to Ikea and get these legs. These legs are thick, and they will not collapse like the other one. Now, mind you, when I built this bed, I started with the base and then I put the headboard on. But obviously, since the bed is already built, I can't take it all apart and start it over just to attach the legs. So what I did is I propped up, I used like cardboard pieces that I got from Ikea, like these cardboard legs. I took these cardboard pieces and I put it underneath the frame to kind of prop it up. If you don't have cardboard, that's fine. You can use books or anything that you like, bricks, to kind of prop it up and keep it up. This is a 2-person job, so definitely have a partner when you're attaching these legs. Having another person really helps because one person can do one side and the other person can do the other. Try to do it at the same time if you can, and then put another prop underneath like the front and the sides and then do the back. This was tricky to film because I obviously had to help, and also it wasn't really much room to prop my camera, but this is what the bed looks like after we had all 4 legs up. I also put some reinforcement, so I took those little legs that I used to prop up the bed, I put it in the middle just to give it a little more reinforcement. Do they stay put? Not really. They moved within the first month, but it was worth a try. And you guys are welcome to use something else like bricks, books, whatever you like in the middle. This part is in fact optional though. My floor got tore up, honey, so I recommend putting some pads. These legs do come with pads, but they're not that thick. They're not very like durable. I recommend even putting like a rug or something else underneath to protect your floor if you have hardwood like mine. For extra reinforcement, I took the pegs that came with those legs and put them inside the 2 holes. It's not necessary, but I did it anyway. You can either put it halfway or all the way through. It's all up to you. I'll put it halfway so you can disassemble the bed in case you need to move. Last and final step is to put the slats on, and there you go. You have repaired your bed.
Let me tell you something.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it short and sweet, just like me. But if you enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification on the bottom, be notified when new videos come out like this. All right, see you next time in the next video.